Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you have applied your pesticides, the best way to stop pest activity is to make sure it can't happen again. Lizards and geckos often invade our homes by accident when they're looking for food, water, or shelter, so you'll want to take measures to minimize their chances of getting in and discourage them from coming in the first place. Address all entry points you found during your inspection, fix any broken door or window seals, and block off voids in the wall with copper mesh. This will not only stop lizards and geckos from invading, but it'll also stop insects from entering your home or structure. Don't allow any food to be left unattended, including pet food. Lizards are omnivores, and while their diet mainly consists of bugs, they won't hesitate to eat fruits or vegetables if it's available. Food that's been left out will also attract insects, which in turn will attract more lizard activity. Drain any sources of standing water in and around your home. All animals need water, including lizards. By draining these water sources, you'll force lizards and geckos to look elsewhere. To monitor for future invasions, you can set up glue traps like the Catchmaster 72MB glue boards. If a lizard makes it into your home without your knowledge, it's likely that they're going to die in a concealed location. By monitoring with glue boards, you can catch any pest, lizards or insects that made their way inside, and use that information to address further holes you may have missed. Finally, be sure to conduct follow-up treatments with Bifenol P and Reclaim IT every 3 months to ensure insects stay out of your yard so the local lizards can hunt away from your home.